Aspects of his demeanor, such as his walk, his speech, and his general attitude, were offensive. Does demeanor mean demonstration, appearance, behavior and manner, or description? This sentence uses a comparison clue. The words such as are signal words, and they signal to us that the sentence is going to list some examples of what it's talking about. In this case, examples of demeanor are his walk, his speech, and his general attitude. From here we can understand that demeanor must mean somebody's poise or presence. Let's take a look at our choices and see which one fits best. Demonstration can be marked off as it doesn't fit with our definition. Appearance can be marked off as well because one of the definitions of demeanor in the sentence is speech, which doesn't fall under appearance. Behavior and manner sounds to be what we're looking for, but let's go on just in case. Description sounds like it might also fit in our sentence. In a case like this, when there are two choices that seem to fit, it's our job to pick the one that would fit better. In this case, behavior and manner, as it's more specific than just a general description and it fits better with our definition and in our sentence.